Has your logistics center already reached the limits of its performance? Or is it time to significantly optimize your logistics processes? In that case, you should use voice technology to improve the structures and processes in your warehouse. LYDIA Voice is a voice assistant that systematically guides your employees through all work processes, in order picking in particular, but also in stock transfer and stock taking, as well as incoming and outgoing goods. LYDIA Voice can be integrated into any warehouse management and ERP system swiftly and reliably, and is available in all national languages. This means your employees have their hands and eyes free, allowing them to focus fully on the picking process. New colleagues can also be working productively in no time at all. And you can scale the size of your teams flexibly to match your order volume. For optimum ergonomics, you can choose between a headset or the LYDIA VoiceWear picking vest, incorporating a microphone and loudspeaker. This will also enable your employees to apply greater focus to their tasks. Choose the future-proof LYDIA Voice solution. Benefit from greater efficiency, better quality, and optimum ergonomics in your logistics processes. Find out more about the advantages of voice-guided work processes at www.lydia-voice.com.